Hey guys, this is Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do get ready with me for the festive season. It's going to be a very light makeup with major focus on the lips because I don't know how to do eye makeup, so we'll keep the eye makeup a bit muted. We'll just play with the eyeliner a bit and that's it. The main focus will be on the outfit and the jewelry. So let's get ready for the festive season. I have nothing on my face right now. I just washed my face and came back. I'll just tie my hair and then we'll get started. To prep the skin, I am going to be using just a serum. I'm not using a moisturizer today because I don't think I need one right now because the place where I am living is really humid. My skin has become oily, so today I am thinking of skipping the moisturizer. This serum is pretty hydrating. The serum I'm using is from the Face Shop, their old chia seed range. They have revamped this range and infused this range with a vitamin B12. I have heard good reviews about it, so I'm gonna give that a try, but for now we are using this. I'm prepping the skin using this serum. You can see how hydrating this serum is. Without using the moisturizer, my skin looks so healthy and glowing just by using this. That is why I'm using it, because then I don't need a moisturizer after this. As usual, I'm going to go a bit light on the base because my skin is really healthy right now and it does not need that much of coverage, so we are going to skip foundation and go straight away with a BB cream because that also provides enough coverage. I'm going to be using the Pond's BB cream in the shade 01 Original and I'll blend that using my fingers. This BB cream has a decent coverage, not heavy coverage, not light coverage, it's medium and good for those people who don't like doing heavy makeup. This side I've used and this side I've not the BB cream, so you can see the difference. It just helps in making your skin look brighter without making it cakey or heavy. I'm going to be using the Sivanna Colors contour palette, the only contour and blush palette that I own right now. I'm gonna take this dark brownish shade to contour, just to warm up the face a bit. I'm not going to be doing any harsh contouring, just a bit to add warmth. You can see how it instantly helps in lifting your face up. For blush, today I'm going to be using Lip and Cheek Tint by the brand Earth Rhythm. I'm going for a lip tint because it helps you in getting that glowing look that we are going for today. Just 2 drops, not much because it's pigmented. I don't like using the Face Shop one because if you use the Face Shop one on the lips, it gets accumulated in the center of the lips and it does not blend easily. So that's why I'm just going to be using this one. A bit on the lips as well. I am going to be using a dark lipstick later, but just to have that pink base, I'm going to be using this. I don't like going overboard with the blush. I always like it muted down. The base makeup is almost done. We are just going to be doing our last step, which is using a highlighter. I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Golden Glow. It has warm undertones, so if you're looking for something with cool undertone, then you can go for other shades or just try using another brand. See the glow, darling. A bit on the Cupid's bow and we are done with the base. Now let's move on to the eyes. Starting with the eyebrows, I am going to use a NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. If you want that feathery effect, just leave it like this, but I am going to be using a bit of the brush to, bring it back to the natural shape. I don't like using black eyebrow products because though my eyebrows are jet black, but if I use black brow pencil or powder, it makes them look like Dracula. The benefit of using a brow mascara instead of a regular brow pencil is that then you don't have to use a separate gel to keep the brows in place. The mascara works like a gel and it keeps them intact for a longer duration. Moving to the eyes. Please don't mind the mess, it came broken, so I cannot do anything about it. This palette was completely empty when it came to me. I had ordered it from Myntra and that is how it came. So I'm just using this color right here and I put it on the lids. That's it, nothing fancy. Now I'm going to be using Kohl to outline the eyes and that's it. That's pretty much it. For mascara, we are going to use Lash Paradise. Where is it? Lash Paradise mascara by Loreal. Very famous and it really works well. So we are using that. As it's a traditional look, we cannot do it without a bindi. So I'm going to be using this bindi, maroon colored huge bindi. That's how we do it. Oh. Bindi changes the whole look, guys. For lips, I'm going to be using Victoria BBD 53 matte lipstick. It's a very dark plum shade. I'm going to replace this with a smaller bindi. Let's wear some jewelry and then we are good to go. Whoa.